Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you my very first car wash ever since I was born. So it took place at this Celtic servo in South Africa. See, it says there, so basically there's the Celtic's logo. So yep, the wash here is a Ryko Premier XL with red and with light blue and red brushes. And now these weren't the original brushes. If you look here, that's the original colour of the brushes, and I'll show you the rear brushes as well. If I can try and find it. You know, I can actually just change street views, so I'll show you there. So yep, there it is. That's it back then, when I first saw it. And that is it now. So yeah, after COVID-19 is over, I'm thinking to come back here one time and try and film it. So please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And yeah, I'll see you guys for the next episode. Goodbye.